SciPop Kids. Have you ever wondered why leaves are green in the summer and spring, and why they change color in the fall, and why they fall off in the winter? Let's find out. During summer and spring, trees produce chlorophyll, which helps photosynthesis to make glucose and oxygen for the winter and fall. What is glucose? Glucose is a sugar that we don't eat. Table sugar is sucrose. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process of trees making food with the help of chlorophyll. What's chlorophyll, though? Chlorophyll is a green pigment that trees produce in the summer and spring. In the summer and spring, there's so much of it, other pigments under that leaf can't be seen. It's just green, dark green, light green, all sorts of green. During fall, chlorophyll can't get enough sunlight to make food and starts to fade away. Other pigments show up like anthocyanin, which is the red pigment, xanthophyll, which is a yellow pigment, carotene, which is the orange pigment, and tannin, which is the brown pigment. Well, it's not actually a pigment, but it does make leaves look brown, even though it's not a real pigment. During winter, leaves fall off of some trees, but some trees don't have leaves. They have needles, and those needles do not change color or fall off. The trees that don't have leaves that change color and fall off, needles, are evergreens. Deciduous trees have leaves that fall off and change color. I have a lot of evergreens in my front yard and a lot of deciduous in my backyard. During winter, once all the leaves fall off, trees kind of hibernate or sleep or take a long nap. But evergreens do not. Never. They're green forever. That's how they got the name. Bye. See you on another episode of SciPop Kids. I hope you learned a lot about why leaves are green and why they change color, and that some trees in winter are always green. Bye.